Today we're going to review a complete set of a ×1 no-no exercise in anterior pitch using the star dot pattern. You can download the star dot pattern at the link below. If you wanted to do a ×0 or a ×2 exercise, you would use your thumb. If you want more information on that, make sure to check out our gaze stability progressions video. Before we get started, remember to have your dot sheet printed out. Tape the sheet onto a wall about arm's distance from you and make sure to have the center dot placed at eye level. There are 9 reps to this exercise. Remember to watch out for your fatigue signs along the way. We're going to begin with the center dot. So for a no-no and anterior pitch, we're going to tilt our head forward, and then we're going to sweep our head left and right like a regular no-no, like this. After you're done, you bring the head back up to neutral, and then we close our eyes and take a breath in through the nose for 4 seconds, and out through the mouth for 8 seconds. Now that entire thing, tilting the head forward, bringing the head left and right back to center, up to neutral, closing our eyes, taking that breath, is 1 repetition of this exercise. For the second rep, we're going to look at the left dot. So as we go through this exercise, it's very important that we take our time and go slowly. This entire motion from left to right after we tilt the head forward should take about 10 seconds to complete from start to finish. Then we bring it back to neutral, close our eyes, and take a breath. For the third rep, we're going to look back at the center dot. For the fourth rep, we're going to look at the right dot. Now let's say that after that 4th repetition I began to experience any kind of symptom, like a headache or dizziness or really anything at all. That's when we would stop this exercise. Wait for a few hours and then just try again later, but the next time that you try it, I want you to back down 1 repetition. So if I began to experience symptoms after the 4th repetition, the next time we practice we're going to back it down to just 3 repetitions and stick with those 3 reps for about 3 days or so before you add on that 4th repetition again, and then hopefully at that point you can get through it without symptoms. For the 5th rep, we're going to look back at the center dot. For the 6th rep, we look at the top dot. For the 7th rep, we look back at the center dot. For the 8th rep, we look at the bottom dot. For the 9th and final rep, we look back at the center dot. And that completes a full set of no-nos and anterior pitch. Practice 3 to 4 times per day, and remember to take it slow and watch out for your fatigue signs. If you have any questions or need help, leave a comment below, reach out to me at virtualbrainrehab.com, or ask your practitioner if you have one. This is Dr. P, and I'll see you in the next video.